Welcome to our podcast. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing content creation. Anna, when people hear AI in content, what kinds of tools or changes should they imagine?
Great question, Will. AI isn't just a background tool anymore. It's actively shaping how we write, design, and even produce videos. From automating basic drafts to suggesting headlines, AI has become a creative partner, not just a calculator.
That's a big leap from older software. Let's start with something everyone's familiar with writing. How is AI changing the way we approach written content?
Well, AI is now capable of generating entire blog drafts, email templates, and press releases. Think of it as a tireless assistant that can brainstorm topics, structure arguments, and even mimic brand tone, all in seconds.
Let's get specific. Can you walk us through how someone might use AI to draft a blog post from scratch?
Absolutely. Imagine you need a blog about eco-friendly travel. You feed a few keywords or an outline into an AI tool, and it generates a draft in minutes. The AI references thousands of articles, pulling in facts, structuring paragraphs, and even suggesting catchy titles.
That's efficient, but does it sacrifice creativity or voice? People worry AI writing feels robotic.
That's a valid concern. While early AI drafts can sound generic, users can refine tone and inject personality. The key is seeing AI as a foundation, not a finished product. Editors add nuance, humor, or personal anecdotes to make the final piece shine.
So beyond blogs, I've seen AI tools that craft email templates. Can you explain how this works in a business context?
Certainly. For sales or customer support, AI tools can analyze previous email threads and suggest responses that match company style and etiquette. For instance, if you're responding to a client inquiry, the AI drafts a reply that covers all their points, formatted professionally.
That sounds like a massive time saver, but are there risks of sounding too formulaic or making mistakes?
There's always a balance. AI excels at speed and consistency, but human review is crucial. For sensitive messages, blending AI structure with personal touches ensures clarity and warmth.
Let's transition to video scripts. How are creators leveraging AI to develop scripts for YouTube or corporate videos?
AI script tools can convert bullet points into conversational dialogue, suggest visual cues, or adapt scripts for different platforms. For example, a product demo script can be generated in multiple styles: formal for LinkedIn, informal for TikTok, saving hours of rewriting.
Are these scripts effective in engaging real audiences, or do they need heavy editing?
AI-generated scripts are a great starting point, especially for structure and clarity. However, tweaking for humor, pacing, and authenticity is where human expertise remains indispensable.
Moving to visuals, AI tools like Midjourney have been popping up everywhere. Anna, how does AI create original images, and how reliable are these visuals?
Midjourney uses generative algorithms that interpret text prompts to produce detailed, unique images. For example, you could input futuristic cityscape at sunset, and the AI delivers a high-resolution artwork in minutes. It's like having a digital artist on demand.
That sounds revolutionary for designers. Are there limits to what these AI-generated images can be used for?
Actually, yes. While the images are striking, copyright and originality concerns remain. It's best for concept art, social media, or storyboarding, but commercial use requires careful review of licensing terms.
Let's talk about video next. Tools like Synthesia can generate AI-powered video show. Does that process work? And what's the impact on content teams?
Synthesia enables users to create videos by typing scripts, which digital avatars then present in lifelike fashion. This slashes production time no cameras, actors, or studios required. Companies use it for training modules, product explainers, and multilingual content.
Does this mean traditional video production is obsolete, or do both approaches coexist?
They definitely coexist. AI videos excel in scalability and speed, but for storytelling or emotional impact, human-led filming still holds an edge. The trend is toward hybrid workflows.
That's a perfect segue into collaboration. How do creators combine AI speed with human creativity to produce outstanding content?
Think of AI as a turbocharged brainstorming partner. It handles repetitive tasks like drafting or layout so creators can focus on refining ideas, injecting humor, or shaping brand voice. This synergy boosts both productivity and originality.
Are there examples where this hybrid model led to remarkable results?
Absolutely. A recent marketing campaign used AI for initial social media copy and human editors for cultural nuance. Engagement rates rose by 30%, showing the value of blending AI efficiency with human insight.
As we embrace AI, what challenges do content creators face, especially around bias or authenticity?
AI learns from data, so it may inherit biases or reinforce stereotypes. For example, an AI writing tool trained mostly on Western content might overlook global perspectives. Regular audits and diverse data sources help mitigate these issues.
And what about the fear of losing authentic human voice in AI-generated content?
That's where editorial judgment is key. AI should support, not supplant, unique voices. The best results come from thoughtful integration, ensuring content feels genuine and personal.
Let's talk outcomes. How do organizations measure the impact of AI-powered content versus traditional methods?
AI tools often come with analytics, dashboards, tracking engagement, time saved, and conversion rates. According to a 2023 Content Marketing Institute report, teams using AI saw a 40% boost in output and a 25% increase in audience engagement compared to manual processes.
That's a significant jump. Do you see these trends accelerating as AI becomes more advanced?
Definitely. As AI learns to better mimic human creativity, we'll see even greater efficiencies and richer, more diverse content experiences.
Before we wrap up, what does the next wave of AI in content creation look like?
We're heading toward fully integrated platforms where AI handles drafting, visual design, and distribution tailored to each audience segment. Imagine real-time content personalization at scale, with humans steering the creative vision.
Exciting times ahead. For our listeners, what's one step they can take today to embrace AI in their content workflow?
Start small, treat an AI writing assistant or image generator for your next project. Experiment, review, and adapt. The more you engage, the more you'll unlock AI's creative potential.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. Anna, thanks for sharing your insights on the power of AI in content creation.
It was a pleasure, Will. The landscape's changing fast, and it's thrilling to see creators harnessing these new tools.
Next time, we'll explore how AI can supercharge your social media strategy, think smarter scheduling, trend detection, and more. Don't miss it.
Looking forward to it. Until then, keep experimenting and let AI amplify your creative process.